Hello, if you're new here, my name is Madison and this is Mads Makeup. If you're not new, then welcome back. Thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be taking this kind of office-y, school style look that I'm wearing right now and turning it into this in just a few easy steps. So if you want to see how to achieve this nighttime look, then just keep watching the video. This look is going to be really easy. We'll only need a few products that you can keep in your purse or bag or whatever it is you have when you're wanting to doll yourself up a little bit, either if you're going out for a date night or going out clubbing or to bars or whatever it is that you have planned for the night, and you want to spice it up a little bit from what you had worn just to work that day in the office. So what I currently have on my face right now, just to give a little lowdown, is I have a light layer of foundation, I have some mascara, I have a little baby wing liner made with shadow, a tiny bit of a blown out shadow look, and my brows are done, and I have some lip gloss on. So the look is really basic, just really basic face makeup and eye makeup, but what we're gonna do is spice it up with just a few products to make yourself ready to go out on the town. There's not a whole lot to do for the face. If you already have your base makeup done, you don't really need to do much to spice it up. I'm going to add a little bit more of a highlighter, and so I'm going to be taking the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm trying to keep this to as few products as possible, which is why we're going to be using highlighter from this palette. So I'm going to be taking this shade Dreamer right here and just dabbing a little bit of that on my cheeks to just vamp up the highlight that I have at the moment, and we're just going to be increasing that glow so that way when you're under, whether it's a strobe light or some restaurant lighting, it's gonna really pick up that shimmer on the cheeks and give you that nice gorgeous glow. As you can see right there, it just went from a nice daytime dewy glow to a really popping highlight on the cheeks. And next we're gonna jump right into the eyes. Like I said, I already have some basic eye makeup on, but I want to deepen that brown that's in the crease right now just to give my eyes a little bit more of a pronounced depth to them. So this palette does come with a couple little blending brushes, which is perfect for if you're just wanting as little items as possible in your purse. But I'm actually just going to go into my favorite blending brush, which is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the name of the brush is actually rubbed off, but it's a big fluffy blending brush right here. And dipping into the shade Volatile, which is this cool toned brown right here. I'm going to be keeping the look fairly cool toned just because that's what I have on right now, but you can go whatever direction you're wanting with this look, and if you have a specific outfit in mind, obviously you're going to want to match that outfit, so just do whatever works best for you. But what I'm saying basically is just take a color, deepen up that crease, and really make that eye look more vamped up with a very quick and easy step. So I'm just dipping in and putting that in the crease area, outer corner V. So you can already see it's just giving slightly more dimension, and then we're just gonna go from there and start blending that out. And this step is gonna just be super easy. These shadows blend basically effortlessly, so I'm just gonna do that a couple times until I have the darkness that I want it. You still want to maintain kind of that softness in the blend because it can look harsh if you are just going right in and not doing a good blend with it, and that's just naturally a given with any kind of makeup that you're doing. And then so the lower lash line doesn't feel left out, we're gonna take a smaller blending brush, and this is Morphe M506, and just take that same color to buff out the lower lash line in the outer corner area to just give it a little bit more dimension blown out there. So it really helps make whatever eye color you have pop if you include that blend on the lower lash line as well as what you have on the top lash. And then I'm gonna be taking some of this color right here, this base color, and popping some of that into the middle of my lower lash line, just because we don't want it being brought too far in. It can start to drag your eyes in too much. You want them to be lighter on the inside and blown out on the outside, and it really kind of lifts and enhances and makes your eyes look really nice. And doing the same thing on the upper part of my lid. And then to just deepen up that brightness that I have in the inner corner, if that has worn off, I'm just gonna go into this Dreamer shade right here and put some of that right on my inner corner to increase that pop. And this is that same shade we used to do the highlighter a bit ago. Next, we're gonna be working on the liner, and today I'm going to be taking the Stila dark brown liner. This is in shade Intense Smoky Quartz. You can also use a black liner. I just feel like brown looks a little bit better with my eyes as well as with the eyeshadow that I have going on right now. And I'm just going to go over that wing that I have already laid before with this, and that really kind of just gives a darker, deeper look to that shadow that you have going on, where this wing right here can kind of get lost in the brown that we have on the eye at the moment. So that's going to be the wing liner on this eye right there. As you can see, it just just gives a little bit more of a lift and a darkness to that outer corner of the eye. So I'm going to go finish up this one, and then I'll be back for the next step of the day to night look. So the wing liner is done on both eyes. Now we're going to be going into the Waterline Liner, and I'm going to be taking the Stila Black Smudge Stick Waterproof Liner in Stingray, and I'm going to be placing that on my lower and my upper waterlines. Adding the black liner really takes your eyes from being more to that like flirty, cute style to more of a sexy, vampy, nighttime style liner. This next step is going to really bring this look from that daytime to nighttime, and that is going to be adding lashes, and I will be using the Azerado lashes in style Legendary. And these are really pretty. They have kind of a nice cat eye effect. They bring your eyes up and out, which is kind of the idea of what I'm doing with this whole look, just having these drawn up out eyes. I'm going to be taking my liner bond from Silly George, and you just do a line of this along your lash line, and your lashes will just immediately adhere to it. It's a really easy way to do false lashes, and it's my preferred way if you're doing a quick look. That adhesive is applied, and all you have to do is just get these lopped on your lash line. And they stick right on. Just keep them lined up the way you want them. And there you go, super easy. So I'm gonna go just do this other one, and then I'll be right back. All right, now the lashes are all applied. It was super quick and easy to do that. So we're going to get into the lips to finish off this whole look. And I'm gonna be going for more of a dark brown style lip. The bolder the lip, the more you can really take this from a day to night look. So for the lip liner, I'm gonna be using the Clinique liner in Intense Blush. And for lipstick, I'm gonna be using the MAC lipstick in the Satin Formula shade Paramount, and placing that all around my lips. I personally prefer a more satin or a softer kind of a lipstick versus a matte. I know they don't last as long, but to me they're a lot more comfortable, and I'd rather go and reapply the lipstick than be uncomfortable the whole night in a matte lipstick. Then we're gonna let our hair down, figuratively and literally, to get a more down, wild, fun style hair. Like that. And then to completely finish it off, I'm gonna go do this part off camera, but switch out your shirt from your more office school style shirt to a more cute one that you would want to wear for a night out. And just like that, we took this office, school, more boring style look to one that is perfect for a date night or a night out. I hope you enjoyed this transformation video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And I hope you all have a safe and wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!